Here's my Herman Miller chair that this bolt broke off of. It's a 1/4 thread and the head just comes off. You see that in the picture here where this guy wants to sell you a pair of them for $17, when you can actually go right down to Lowe's and for $1.08 you can buy 1/4, 28, 2.5. It's in the grade 5 drawers. There's the bolt right there. See how they put it together on this side, and I put it together just like that on this side. And the secret here is, as I'm turning here, actually I have it all the way in now, but as I turn here and tighten it, I'm loosening it to the back so it doesn't bind to my left side right here. And so I keep tightening that, and as you can see, these plates here are going together. There's a spring that fits in between. So this is, I move it all the way this way, and that loosens it so you can press this in and down. It locks in. There's locking places here. Then you can tighten this. This arrow points down, so if you turn it this way, it loosens it. As you can see, the spring is pushing it up. So in this position, I tightened it as much as I could get it, so I now have some travel. So it'll go up and down, but now as I screw it in this way, it tightens this. It's screwing this down onto the thread more, and you can't move it. So that's all it takes to do that. 54-cent part. And then this back just screws back on. I don't want to get this too... I've broken off plenty of screws with this drive. It wasn't seated properly. Oh, there it goes. It slides over.